So, respected Dr. M.S. Alishan, Principal, Professor Ram, College of Engineering and Management, Professor Praveen Khandwe, sir, Head, Department of Civil Engineering, Coordinator of this program, practicing engineers, and learned delegates of the academia. A very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Shrikant Arle, co-coordinator of the program, and it gives me great pleasure to extend to you all a cheerful welcome on behalf of Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, to this inaugural session of AICT sponsored 1 week short-term training program on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. It is scheduled from 3rd August to 8th of August. This program aims at equipping teachers with skills and knowledge related to the computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. So let us have the pleasure of listening to the opening remarks of Professor Praveen Khandwe, sir, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, and Program Coordinator. Please, sir.
Welcome to all participants, and I welcome on the behalf of Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, for this 1 week online short-term training program on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. So this program now we are organizing, which is sponsored by AICT, and consequently again in next month also again on the same topic we are going to arrange one again STDP. So on the behalf of Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, I first of all say thanks to my management committee, our Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society Executive Council, where Dr. Nitin Dhande is president, then Advocate Uday Deshmukh, vice president, Dr. Hemant Deshmukh sir, treasurer, Sri Yuvraj Singh ji Chaudhary, secretary, then honorable executive member Sri Shankar Rao ji Kale, then executive member Sri Nitin ji Huse, then executive member Sau Ragini H Deshmukh, and executive member Dr. Vaishali and Dhande, and executive member Dr. Poonam Y Chaudhary, for giving me chance to conduct this STTP for Department of Civil Engineering. So I also thank you to my principal sir, Dr. M.S. Ali sir, convener of this STTP, for encouraging us to conduct this type of training program for the faculty development. So this STDP we are organizing. There are few guests are there. So in your brochure, you may have received the details of the schedule. And in this Corona lockdown period, the one important thing is there. What I want to share is that we must try to utilize our time in better manner, and for that this type of training program they are help us to engage us for doing some betterment of our future. So I congratulate all of you that you are here, and there is a huge response from the participants. As much as 650 participants were completed the registration for this training program, and then out of that we have selected the 240 participants, and most of them are now present here. And with this session we have taken care of all that good experience, and you will find out a good time with us during this all 6 days with all these STDPs. So whatever the schedule was given, all the speakers are ready with their presentations, and all the sessions will be very interactive. And the most important thing is that on every day there will be a hands-on session also. So in the afternoon session there will be a speaker, those who will giving you the hands-on sessions on what are various softwares or computational intelligence, how we can use to analyze the earthquake resistant design of various structure. So I congratulate all of you again, once again, and have a good time with these 6 days with us. And as a host, every day I will make it sure that you will getting the good experience with this Zoom meeting. We have taken care of all the security issues with the Zoom meeting. So every day before joining the session, you have to log into the Zoom with your email ID. You have to sign in, and then you will get the link and all this with you. So I again welcome to this session, and now I will declare that here the session was started, and there will be a further proceeding from Dr. Harle sir.
Thank you, sir, for this opening remarks by Professor Khandwe sir, head of the Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Raman College of Engineering and Management, Bandera, as well as program
program
coordinator.
coordinator.
Now, I would
I
like
would
to request
request
our
our
respected
respected
principal,
principal,
Dr. M.S. Ali sir, to present a brief agenda about the program.
Share room. Malaikum.
So that maximum people can benefit it and they can utilize their work from home time because of COVID situation, that they will be able to contribute to the development of their knowledge as well as growth with reference to application of computational intelligence in civil engineering, particularly to earthquake resistant design. On behalf of Professor Ram Mege College of
पढ़ाई तो जाती है ना खाना पीना था अरे बाबा बिल्डिंग बिल्डिंग
computational intelligence is competence and design. It will be very fruitful. I sincerely appeal you to utilize the available knowledge and time to train insight into computational intelligence and try to apply it into the own job. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a very much.
Sorry, due to technical issue, we could not connect to the presentation of Dr. M.S. Ali sir.
Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. M.S. Ali, welcome you to this inaugural session of private faculty development program on computational intelligence. Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. M.S. Ali, welcome. Inaugural private faculty development program on computational intelligence with applications to aspect response. Help. My sister has go to private education are providing us an opportunity
एकच करू शकतो आपण व्हिडिओ प्ले करून व्हिडिओ प्ले करून लावायचा जरा आवाज येईल. हा? हा? इथून तर आपला आवाज येते. हॅलो.
हा आता आवाज येतो सर, कंटिन्यू करा.
सर ऍक्च्युअली आमचे इनॉग्रेशन सेशनचा जे प्रिन्सिपल सर आहेत ते लाईनवर नसल्यामुळे त्यांचा जो व्हिडिओ आहे तो प्ले केला होता आपण, परंतु व्हिडिओचा आवाज लोकांपर्यंत जात नाही आहे. आणि आपलं झूम जे आहे ते आमच्या साईडला हँग होत आहे त्या व्हिडिओमुळे. त्यामुळे इनॉग्रेशनचा व्हिडिओ आम्ही 2 वेळा प्ले केला, परंतु तो काही कंटिन्यू होऊ शकला नाही. So okay, now after 5 or 10 minutes, now we will start with our first session without wasting the time. So today, whatever the inauguration speech was there by the principal sir, I will upload the video on the WhatsApp group so that you can also take that advantage. And now here we will not stop, and we will continue with our session. And then I will ask my co-host Dr. Harle sir to conclude this inauguration session, and after 5 minutes we will start our 5-minute break. We will start our first session, and that we will complete it early.
Sorry, once again.
Yes.
Well, we often
take for granted the very things
that most deserve our gratitude. An attitude of gratitude brings great things. I deem it
a great honor and privilege to propose this work time. First and foremost, I am very much thankful to the
managing committee members of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society for permitting the conduction of this program. I am also very much thankful to sponsoring agency AICT for the approval to conduct this program. I thank Honorable Principal of Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, Dr. M.S. Ali sir, for his valuable guidance and encouragement. I thank all the organizing committee members, head of the department, and deans for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts for this program. My heartfelt thanks to all the faculty members, especially resource person, who have accepted our invitation to be the part of this program. I thank all the distinguished invitees for accepting our invitation. Thank you. So now, I declare official closure of inaugural session of AICT sponsored 1-week short-term training program on computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. Thank you one and all. We'll start the next session
5-minute break
after 10 minutes.
मला हे नाही समजलं, तो व्हिडिओचा प्लेस नाही पाहिजे होता मागच्या वेळेला पण जे व्हिडिओ झाला ना.
अच्छा.
हा
व्हिडिओ बँडविड्थ मुळे प्रॉब्लेम
मुळे प्रॉब्लेम होतो सर. ते काय ते